little wagon. Got the fifth wheel set up. You see the beams under it are real decent. It's got a Midwest hoist. We're going to raise it all back up. The bed on it's just so-so. It's it needs some boards inside there in places. And I'll try to show you that when we get it down. You can see it'll dump up pretty good. I'll measure the size of that bed here in just a second. But be great for dumping trash out. It's got the sides on it. I think the front's in the bed as well. There's sideboards in the bed. They've got them laying over. I walked on it. This is very thin boarding right up top here. And so some of that is getting a little bit what I call pithy, or getting dry rotted of sorts. You'll be able to see that. They got stuff laying in there. You can see right on top. But there's the actual front boards, I guess, that's laying in there maybe. I don't know. Maybe that's the original backboard. You're getting all that with it. But this could use patched up top, even though it doesn't really have holes, but you can see that right there is really thin. So you're not going to want to be belting a bunch of hay on it, I'll tell you that right now, until you just cover it. That may be why those are on there, okay? But the beams are good underneath. All that looks good. And you are going to buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction, $125. The length of this bed is 12 foot long.